Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit their website to learn about new innovative conveyor drive technology, delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors.
Ken, let's look a little more broadly too, just at construction materials input and pricing. You guys put out some data courtesy of the Bureau of Labor Statistics recently, noting how materials pricing from January of 21 to January of this year was up 20% across the board. And that varied depending on what the input was, but I think steel mill products were up remarkably, copper, plastic, gypsum, all things that in some way or another have an effect on our world in aggregates. Because if those prices are going up, it has a trickle down effect, I would argue. How did we get to that sort of inflation, and is there the opportunity ahead to maybe see those things flatline or come down somewhat in 22, or like the oil markets, is it going to be pretty volatile similarly?
Unfortunately, I think volatility will be the major story for the rest of this year. Up until this past month, I think the major culprit was the coronavirus in various ways. At the outset in early 2020, we had lots of businesses have to shut down because they weren't essential, or there was infection at the job site. Maybe key employees actually got sick or had to take care of someone who was sick. Now, hopefully, we're past that challenge, and businesses will be able to stay open. Whether they'll be able to get enough workers to operate at full strength still remains a question. But we've also seen a whole bunch of one-off events. The most damaging probably was the big freeze in Texas in February 2021 that damaged all of the plants that produced inputs for construction plastics. So anything from PVC pipe to geotextiles to resins for paint, all of those have been in short supply ever since. And then many other singular events like the blockage of the Suez Canal or a shutdown of barge traffic on the Mississippi River for a few days last year. And now this war in Ukraine and the countermeasures mean that ship patterns have been disrupted. Some ships are caught in the Black Sea or elsewhere, and also steel and other metals that are needed to make specialized steel or to make the lithium ion batteries for cars, those may be in short supply. So I do expect we'll see more volatility, learn about some crucial component for a construction project that is hung up.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit their website to learn about new innovative conveyor drive technology, delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors.